Sekutholakale ezinye izidumbu ezinhlanu zabantu abaminze khathi kubhabhadiswa ibandla emfuleni, kanti sezizonke ezitholakele ziyishumi nane, ezinye zitholakale izolo nanamhlanje, kanti uyedwa umuntu ongakatholakali. Imndeni idunguza ebumnyameni ngokuqhubekayo.
Isicelo ukuthi sizeni phela ukuthi noma nesishuthele bona ke namunye nesishuthele nje bona bonke sikwazi ukuthi nisedluliseleke la kithi ukuthi ayisibone ukuthi labo bantu bakhona sikwazi nathi ukubuyisela i-report back ukuthi hayi abantwana abakhona simtholile lo muntu ukhona lapha. Ilokho nje sokusiphethe kabi. Asazi sihleli nje ukuthi sihlelele ini asinalwazi.
It's difficult for us here, it's difficult for them there, so we don't know what is happening at the moment. We don't know what is the outcome of the search. So we will just be patient and wait.
Ilungu lekomiti lemeya yaseGoli elibhekele ezokuthuthukiswa komphakathi uWinston Harris lithi bazozama ukweseka imndeni ngazo zonke izindlela.
We'd like to extend our sincerest condolences. This should not have happened, but we can't ask for reasons why it has happened. All that we can do is to say we want to support the families in whatever way possible. So right now we're seeing multidisciplinary teams on the ground doing their very, very best to try and find the remaining bodies.
Lemndeni iqhamuka ezindaweni ezehlukene kodwa bengakacaci ukuthi ibuya kuliphi ibandla.